So it's now JOBY Beamo, and now it's Zhiyun. JOBY Beamo and Zhiyun. JOBY Beamo and Zhiyun. Hello YouTube, hello my dear subscribers, and of course I welcome new people on my channel. Today I would like to explain why I decided immediately, actually, after unboxing this camera on camera light, Zhiyun Fiveray M20 with the combo kit with the additional barn door and with additional grid and diffuser. Why I decided to return that immediately when I compared to the existing light what I have from JOBY, and that is JOBY Beamo, and I have JOBY Beamo Mini, and that is just above my camera right now, and it lights up this shot, the table and a little bit of me. Immediately I realized how bulky is this Zhiyun 20-watt light. Of course that is bulky because of the mount where it sits, but without the mount you cannot do anything with the light except of keeping it standing on the table, because there is no hole for your screw, there is nothing, no magnet, no any kind of or any sort of cold shoe mount, nothing. So you have to always keep the light inside the mount, and when you do so, it just becomes at least like 2, 3, I would say even 4 times bulkier than the JOBY Beamo. I will compare it to the most powerful setting of this JOBY Beamo, and that is supposed to be 5-watt light, but it has a single LED and it has this diffused lens, and of course additionally you can apply this silicone diffuser and get even more diffused light. Like right now when I record on the wide camera of my iPhone, I of course applied this diffuser onto the JOBY Beamo Mini to get more diffuse light. If I would to remove, then you can see how immediately bright and overexposed my face. That is more than enough for this kind of shot, for talking head video, for showing something right in front of you on the table, even with the wide angle camera, which is not the best, on iPhone 12 Pro. That's the phone I'm using now. Alright, I will turn off the lights completely in the room, and I will turn off this light above my phone, and I will let you compare in this room. That room is about 5 meters wide and maybe just 5.5 meters long. Alright, I will place camera right over here at the corner, slightly above the level of my eyes. I will tilt also like so, should be good enough. Now the light is off. Now I will turn off the on-camera light. Alright, on-camera light is off, and I will turn on the JOBY Beamo, and I will increase brightness. So light is in my hand, as you can see, the maximum brightness, JOBY Beamo Mini, without a diffuser, just a bare LED. I will also walk around like that, so you can see in the distance of roughly 6 meters there, and maybe 4 meters to that wall, you can see everything nicely. You can see the sofa, some clothes on the sofa, lots of things on the table. You can also still be very happy if I start reducing the brightness of this light. So this is the minimum brightness. And I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with this JOBY Beamo light. Alright, when I compare this to the light from Zhiyun, that's the one. Let's keep this just for reference. Okay, now I will turn this on, short press and long press. Alright, buffering. Okay, the only advantage, of course, you may think about having this Zhiyun is the bicolor light. But honestly, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this JOBY Beamo, and they only have a fixed color temperature because of only single LED used. I'm very happy with that. And I don't agree to keep this light for over 100 euro price tag just because it has color temperature setting. Alright, I will bring it roughly to the same color temperature as the one from JOBY, and that's it, 100% brightness. That is as much, maybe just a tiny bit more than the one from JOBY. One more time, I will turn on the JOBY, increase the brightness, and I will take away the Zhiyun. So it's now JOBY Beamo, and now it's Zhiyun. JOBY Beamo and Zhiyun. JOBY Beamo and Zhiyun. And then you may say, oh, but this Zhiyun, it has lots of various diffusers. Okay, let's try them. I don't see that they are really useful. Now, what do we have here? Now I will take away the JOBY. Only Zhiyun with the barn doors. Okay, I can close them. Alright, you try to capture the profile of the beam. Of course, now it's a little bit narrower. You can open the white side if you ever want to. You can open the bottom side. Then you can open the top part, or maybe. But that is very bulky. Actually, that is really bulky. Now, let me take this black diffuser. This one. Alright, I will remove the barn door, and I will clip on this black diffuse net. That is now the maximum brightness. Look, the maximum brightness, 100%. You can hear that the fan is spinning already. And I don't see that to be any more useful than cheaper, much more rugged and waterproof light from JOBY Beamo. I hope you liked the video. Smash like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.